Hi everybody, my name is Leena Yousefi and I'm a lawyer and the founder of YLaw Group, a family law firm in Vancouver and Surrey, BC. In this segment, I wanted to talk to you about your initial meeting with your family lawyer, what questions to ask of that lawyer, and how to find out whether the lawyer is right for you. Your initial meeting is the most important meeting you may have with your lawyer, and therefore it's important to know how to prepare, what to do, and what to ask. So a lot of people ask, what should I wear to the initial meeting? And my answer is, if you want to take your family law case seriously and you want your lawyer to have a good impression of you the first time, dress presentable. It doesn't have to be that you're in a suit and tie, but it does mean that you don't want to show up there dirty or messy or all over the place. This is about first initial impressions, and it's good if both parties are professional. Now, when it comes to your lawyer, the questions that you ask of your lawyer can determine whether the lawyer is right for you. And some of the questions that I found most beneficial and useful are as follows. How many years of family law experience have you had? Note that a lot of lawyers practice everything, from strata to family to real estate. And if your case is complex, it's better to have a lawyer who specializes in family law and focuses on family law almost exclusively. That way, they spend all their time on family law cases and therefore have more experience. Question number 2. You can ask, how many years of experience do you have dealing with this specific issue? The issue could be child custody, child support, or asset division. You want your lawyer to have knowledge and experience in issues that relate to your case. Third question, are you litigation-oriented or settlement-oriented? This will give you an idea of whether the lawyer is comfortable litigating or is comfortable settling. In my mind, the best lawyer is a lawyer who is comfortable with both litigation and settlement, because as much as we try to settle, there may be situations where settlement is just not possible, and you need a lawyer who can go to court and obtain you results and not be afraid to face a judge. The next question that you can ask your lawyer, and perhaps the most important, would be, given all this information that I've given you, what's the best strategy for my case? This will basically force a lawyer to come up with a plan for your case, which is the most important thing. A lot of the complaints that I've received from people who come to me from other lawyers is that the lawyer is not communicating a plan or a strategy, and the client often feels lost or confused and doesn't know where things are going to go. So the lawyer has to be able to give you a strategy and the next steps. The next question is asking for an estimate about how much things are going to cost. So generally, if you're litigating, it's going to be a lot more expensive than you're settling. And also, if you have too many issues, your case can be more expensive than having one or two issues. So it's important to ask the lawyer how much things are going to cost. The lawyer is going to tell you, I'm going to give you an estimate of how much things may cost. Lawyers can't really tell you exactly how much things are going to be, simply because we haven't seen or dealt with the other side and we don't know how many disagreements we're going to have. But generally, I can tell a client how much an application is going to cost, or how much a trial may cost, or how much settlements may cost. These are just estimates. They're not figures that you should be sticking with, but these are figures that would perhaps allow you to better budget for your case and know what the next steps are going to be. In the blog that I've written, we are talking about questions to ask a lawyer if you have a child custody matter, if you have a spousal support matter, child support matter, divorce matters. So there are more specific questions that you should ask of the lawyer if you're dealing with these issues. And all those questions are in our blog, and I invite you to read our blog to obtain more information. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we have a lot of useful information that we're going to give for free, so you don't have to pay a lot of money going to see a lawyer and asking the lawyer the same questions. We really appreciate it. If you have any other questions, we have a lot of resources on our website, YLaw.ca. And if you have any more specific questions, you can always call us at 604-974-9529 or YLaw.ca/contact. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.